Welcome back to class. Today, I'm going to be teaching you an experiment to illustrate convection. So, have you ever watched a pot of boiling water? The water is constantly bubbling and moving in a random motion, right? Of course. Do you know this is as a result of heat transfer by the process of convection? Oh yes, let's prove that by an experiment, shall we? Place a few solid particles, e.g. sawdust, in a beaker. Pour some water into the beaker and heat gently by means of a Bunsen burner. As the water is heated, you will observe a current of the motion of the solid particles in a circular pattern. This is the way water molecules are moving in transferring heat by convection. We call it convection current. Wow, that's intriguing. So we have learned that we can prove the process of heat transfer by convection when we heat water containing a solid. For example, sawdust over a Bunsen burner. I'm sure you enjoyed the class and the illustration. I'll see you in the next class, champ.